Conasán tú, it's Misha Ben. How are you? I'm Ben from Bite Size Irish, and today I'd like to explore some Irish words and terms for parts of the head and for the facial features. So first of all, the head. Two common Irish terms for the head are ceann, and klih-gunn. Two common Irish words for the face are eye-igg, and éadan. Okay, so up on top we have the hair. The Irish term for hair is gruaig. In my own case, I have curly hair. The Irish term for curly hair is chatach. Behind the hair, we have the ears. And the Irish term for ear, singular, is cluas. So we have one ear, cluas-ah-vaw-inn, and another ear, cluas-éile. And the Irish term for ears, plural, is cluasa. So you could say, these are my ears. And that would be shuh-hiad mo cluasa. Shuh-hiad mo cluasa. Tágamá. Very well. Okay, let's move down. Start with the face. We start at the bottom. The chin. This is a word in Irish that I'm quite fond of. And that word is smig. The Irish term for jaw is gheall. And the Irish term for mouth is bay-eh-ull. What about the lips, you say? Well, the Irish term for lips is bee-oh-luh. And should you need it, I never grow one myself, but the term for moustache is krum-aye-ul. A beard, on the other hand, is something I do sometimes grow. And the Irish term for beard is fay-us-owe-guh. Moving up here, we have the cheeks. The Irish term for cheeks is leh-ik-neh. Then the nose. The Irish term for nose is shroe-un. And the Irish term for eye is shuh. So we have one eye, shuh-leh-vaw-inn, and another eye, shuh-eille. The Irish term for eyes, plural, is shuh-ille. So you could say, these are my eyes, and that would be shuh-hiad mo hu-ille. Now the Irish term for eyelid is capeen suile. However, if you're a Harry Potter fan, there's another term that might appeal to you a little bit more, and that is muggle suile. The Irish term for eyelash is fow-ra. And the Irish term for eyebrow is mala. Mala. So, let's say you have bushy eyebrows. You might say, Tá malí giobacha orm. Tá malí giobacha orm. That is, I have bushy eyebrows. Or more literally, there are bushy eyebrows on me. And moving up to close to where we began, we have the forehead. And the two common terms for forehead in Irish are chlor-éadan, chlor-éadan, and chlor-bahasha. Chlor-bahasha. Agus sin sin a chairde. That's that. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Personally, I find that learning languages is always a bit of a challenge, but the best way to approach it is to learn a little more every day. So if you'd like to download our 10 secrets for practicing Irish every day, you'll find the link below. Slán go fóill a chairde. Bye for now.